The power of dreams.
There was a time when driving was seen to be the best time to reflect on the day. The night drive was relaxing and reduced stress. A time to enjoy driving even more. Now the pleasure of driving is back. And with Honda's sensing technology, even more enjoyable, even safer. So why take the shorter route home when the longer route offers you so much more driving pleasure? With the all-new Honda BRV, you'll actually look for reasons to drive.
HP aku ketinggalan di kantor nih, Mah.
Sini, aku yang bawa.
So, what's your reason? The all-new Honda BRV, driving redefined.
Mah, kok lewat jalan yang jauh?
Gak apa-apa.